Hello teacher, my name is Christian and today in this video I'm going to talk about the future English as a global language. So, could you imagine if everyone in this world talk in English, just in English? So that's my question to start this video because that's the question that come to my brain when I start to investigate about this topic. But first, you know that everyone in this country speak their own native language, as like us that speak Spanish because it's our native language, and in other countries they talk Portuguese, Italian, whatever language that they speak in their country. But some people like us are bilinguals that speak their native language and speak English, and other people talk more than two languages, and that's good. But we know that English, especially the English, today is the most popular language around the world. When we talk about in business or whatever thing that we have to communicate with other people that the native language is not the English or is not the Spanish, we know that we communicate in English. So today in our days we speak English. We speak English to communicate everything in our world. But as we mentioned before in the question, could you imagine if we just talk in English, no Spanish, no Portuguese, no Italian, no Russian? Can be easy for all of us because we just to talk about English and we have to forget about to talk in other language. But we have to think that can be a future, but a future longer than we can imagine, because we have to create like we have to prepare our government to start with that, and we have to know that we need to wait that this generation pass and a new generation come with that chip in their minds, because it's not easy to put that with this generation that speak all the native language in their countries. So in my opinion, I think that the future English as a global language can be a good thing, because English for many people is easy to learn. But it's a thing that we have to know that is not gonna be tomorrow. Just tomorrow, no. We have to know that it's a thing that we have to know, that we have to prepare governments, students, and all of that. So that's my opinion in that topic, and I think that could be a good language for the future. So thank you so much, and bye.